I wonder what it would be like to sail on an ocean of the bitter tears of those who lost their loved ones to a stranger. How many stadiums could you fill with all the people killed in war? Now you look me in my eyes and tell me what it's good for.
See how many y'all prepare for Armageddon. Soon to be judgment day. Still it's a big mistake. How many been face to face with death? Before to me, how does it feel? Nervous as a reverse, ready to kill if it's my will. Step out of my battle, look, then I might have to smoke. Yeah, when I roast you with this thing, focus you through my scope. Oh, my